Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Gemgong Fuel Pump, Battery Portable Transfer Pump. Consists of the following features. Portable electric pump. Portable battery-operated fuel transfer pump comes with 6 AA batteries, ready to use, no assembly required. Pre-installed filter plus 6 high-capacity AA batteries and battery case. Also compatible with 2 D-cell batteries, not included. Pump fuel or water straight out of the box, perfect for emergencies. Dual protection for longer lifespan. Upgraded waterproof switch plus filter. The waterproof switch cover prevents fuel/water seepage, extending the pump's service life. The included stainless steel filter blocks debris, effectively preventing clogging in liquid transfer pumps. Powerful and long-lasting. This manual fuel pump features an efficient impeller design, delivering a fast flow rate of 2.6 gallons per minute, emptying a 5-gallon tank in just 2 minutes. Each set of batteries, D-cell or AA, can pump 1,000 plus gallons, making it ideal for transferring fuel from gas cans, oil drums, or water buckets. Compact and portable. Removable compact storage, ideal for trucks/garages. This self-priming siphon pump works for aquariums, gasoline, diesel, not for corrosive liquids. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.